In this video, we're talking about for token, legit or scam. So do your own research before investing on this token. This token, guys, is a meme coin based on Bitcoin, and this token listed on popular exchange like PancakeSwap, like Aster, like Binance Alpha, BingX, and Bitmart. The circulating supply is 1 billion, total supply 1 billion of this token. The holders is 23,000 members. And then with circulating supply 1 billion, I see some engaging here on this community. You can check here some engaging, as you can see here. If I check on this BScan, I see almost 23,000 holders with almost more than 2 million of transaction. I see a lot of transaction last 10 seconds, last 12 seconds with a swap and exchange with a huge volume here, guys, on this token. So, guys, I see also some community on Telegram, on X. This is the community on X. You can check here this community. I see some engaging here. This is good indicator to check to see this engaging here on this token. A lot of posts here on X, social X. So, guys, you have Telegram 6,000 members on the subscription on Telegram. This is good indicator. So, guys, this is top holders on this market tokenomics. This is holders and distribution of this tokenomics. Top 10 is 44% with a lot of transfer here transaction. So, guys, I give this token 7 on 10, and this is not financial advice.